Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete video messages on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete video messages on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening your Telegram app, guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you had sent a video message previously. And over here, guys, you can see I had sent the video message previously. Now in order to delete these video messages, we'll be required to tap and hold on it. And you can see, guys, the moment we tap and hold on that message, a green tick mark will be available for us at the left side of the screen, which you have tapped and hold. And after that appears at the top right corner of the screen, there is a dumpster or a delete icon available for us. Tap on that dumpster or the delete icon, and this kind of pop-up box will appear where you can see there it says are you sure you want to delete this message. Tap on the tick mark or the tick or the empty box over here, and a tick mark will appear where it says also delete for that user, and tap on the delete button available for us at the right side of the pop-up box, and that message will be deleted on Telegram. So let's do that for this message again. Tap and hold on it, tap on the dumpster icon at the top right corner, and when this pop-up box appears, tap on the empty box over here and tap on delete, and that video message will be deleted on Telegram chat. And guys, this is how to delete video message on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.